My friends, welcome to my 203D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Today I want to work on exercise 191, pretty close to the end of the series. I cannot believe I came all the way to build 200 series, 200 models almost every day, and I am really excited. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this on, take this one as the right side, so YZ plane. Not that it matters too much because it's a pipe section and pipe looks the same, either doesn't matter which way you look at it from. With that, let's go ahead and transform. Notice how I had that axis cross by default. I did some changing with the layout, some willingly, something unwillingly, and now I have a different look. Right. Let's take the axis cross away and start drawing in sketch on. Maybe because we are in part design, maybe create a body first and then draw a sketch on YZ plane. So you draw the sketch where that drawing is. Okay, real quick, I'll go build this sketch. There it is. There is our fully constrained sketch, and I can go ahead and revolute it along this axis. So Y, we should be selecting Y from here, and we get our first pipe. All right, now we'll have to take a look at this cross section where it says the pipe is not going through it, it's just a connection. So maybe it's a welded pipe, not for fluid transport. It's more of like a structural joint or something. So this is sealed, and keeping that in our mind, I want to draw another sketch. So we have this revolute done. Maybe we can do the holes in there, but I'll keep that for later. So let's go ahead and draw another sketch on YZ plane and draw this line. It says between this point and this point, this is 80 millimeter, right? And this is moving, so we can fix this point here, KL, and it should be 30, and this one should be 25. Comes from this 50. Oops, minus 25. Right, so this comes from this 50, half of that. So that point is fixed, this is not fixed, so we take this and say this is 60. Right, so that's our reference line. That's the end of that sketch. So it says reference line, right? And then I want to keep it separate because I want to use that to revolve my sketch. And from there, let's go ahead and draw the actual sketch. So on the YZ plane again, and this time quickly, let me take a minute to draw this sketch real quick. 20. All right, we got that taken care of. Now let's go ahead and revolve it around this axis. So this will be the line, right? Let me hide this and come back to task and select reference. I want to select this reference, and there it is. Now we got that, but look at how this kind of created a problem. So we'll have to take care of that. That would be our last step. Hopefully I won't forget. Now maybe I can do it right now. What I can do, I can take this, that's the inside circle, and make a sub object shape binder, right? And then what I can do, I can take this binder and make a pocket through all. That didn't do it. I thought, okay, maybe did I have to do reversed? Yes, there, very clean object. Now all I have left is the nut holes, or like bolt holes, not nut holes, the bolt holes. on this one we have 6 holes on. Okay, so this is going to be tough, so let me take this one, open at my other window and hide this one. On this surface, let's draw a sketch on that, and here we have, so just like this, if we do a cross section and these holes are staying on both sides, but if we do it like this, we'll have 2 holes on the axis. So we will draw one on this axis, and then diameter is going to be 15, right? Pretty cool. And then the distance will be, the diameter says 90, so that's 45, right? Forgot it is 0.22 version. Okay, so we get that. Now that is going to be our hole through all, right? And then no, I don't want to do it through all because that may get a conflict. So dimension, say 10, right? And then that goes through, that's good. We say okay. Now we take that, only that pocket, right? And then make a polar pattern and make it, number would be 6. Yeah. So notice how this vertical axis is in here, and then these holes are like on both sides, not on the axis. So we got that pretty easy. Let's do that same on here. So we draw another sketch, easy. And now the cross section is kind of messed up. I wonder why. So that's going to be a problem. Let's say, so we press on this button that brings up the sketch surface, and I want to take this inner circle, so that's my center, not this one, right? And here I want to draw sketch, so the diameter of that hole would be diameter 10, so this is going to be diameter 10, pretty cool. And then distance between these two would be, it says that 54 divided by 2. Again, 54 divided by 2. All right, that's all we needed. I hit close, and then I want to make a pocket of 10 millimeter. I hit OK. We get that. And the same thing, make a polar pattern, and this time we make how many holes? 8 holes. Oh dang, it did not work. That polar pattern, the center is not working fine. Okay, so we'll have to work on the center. Right. So select reference, and we'll have to select there. So that kind of selects the center of that circle, and pretty cool. All right, obviously part design made it easier on us for this object. We would have to use lattice 2 if it was in part workbench, but we would not have to make that hole through that binder if it was in part workbench. So good and bad, pros and cons. Anyway, my friend, that's all for this model. Pretty exciting to finish this series tomorrow. With that, if you have any question, comment or suggestion on this, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.